Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are gonna speak about Darajani market in Stone Town. Intro! We are now walking into the Darajani market. We are going to buy some fruit and some vegetables. So this market is based in Stone Town, that's basically the heart of Zanzibar.
Che differenza c'è tra i peperoni rossi che costano 10.000 scellini al chilo ai peperoni verdi che costano 2.000 scellini al chilo?
No.
E a Roma che è costosa? Sto già lì rotto.
If you come here, you can basically find two kind of person buying stuff. So you can find people from the place that are here to buy stuff for the house, stuff for restaurants, but you can even find a lot of tourists. So the tourists usually buy some spicy stuff, so they always come here and they ask you for spicy if you want to buy them, to help them, and they look basically like this.
Anch'io vendono tutti specie, quando vuoi comprare da noi vendono costa poco da noi, non è come piantagione, noi vendono una per $1 o una per $2, costa poco. Benvenuti a Zanzibar con una matata. Ciao!
That's one of the most popular street food in Zanzibar. They're called mishkaki and they're made of fruit, fish and so on. They eat them a lot. You can buy them for 1,000 shilling, that's basically $50, but pretty sure they pay less. We are now going to take some rojo, that is a soup, especially from here. They eat for all the day and basically they feed everything in it. So let's go how they do it. So basically everything you can see in the plate is for 2,000 shillings, that is about $1. It was delicious. We are just now stepping into the fish side. That's it for Darajani market. We are now going back home. Hit that like button if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you in the next video.